So let's take a walk up to the third floor, because this has one of the greatest features that the clients really asked for in this house and caused us to push our limits as both builders and designers of these houses, as well as our structural engineers design. So over here is the gym for this house, which includes this unbelievable third floor lookout that's around 35 feet above sea level. This is up on the third floor of the house. It's a 5-foot balcony featuring some gorgeous U-rail stainless steel railings with the drink rail on top. And what's amazing about this is that it's a thermally broken, outside the building envelope structural installation, where it's a stainless steel frame that is cantilevered off the building. We've got, buried in the walls here, columns that are designed to support this from floor to ceiling. I have to say, we were inspired by the architect Steve Basic up in the Northeast, who has done similar installations to this and really graciously shared them on the internet. We were inspired by that to see how we could integrate that on our own homes, and didn't just do it to use someone else's idea, but also we were confronted with a similar situation, which is that we have the Atlantic Ocean here, and the concept of connecting the interior structure to the exterior of the house to cantilever this balcony was very scary to us as the builder wanting to bring long-term durability to this home. And when we saw that solution, the ability to bring that to our structural engineers and say, how can we implement that with our building systems, was really great. One of the issues we had was that this thing couldn't just be picked up with a crane or a cherry picker, because this is environmentally regulated land behind us, and the house is so tall that reaching up and over was really not an option for us. So this was designed all in a flitch plate style, where these were loose pieces of 3/16 stainless steel that we laminated inside of 2x12 treated lumber, and with angle braces that came back to the structure, and all of that was drilled through our finished exterior sheathing and weather barrier, detailed perfectly before everything was then sandwiched on and assembled to the structure. And then ultimately all of our finishes went onto it. And finally, of course, these beautiful rails and this really nice decking. And this really is a 50, 75 year assembly that's installed back here. And what's really nice about it is it's completely removable from the house without destroying the house. So if something does go wrong with it, it starts to deteriorate over time, it can be renovated without causing a major remodel of this house. We're really proud to have been able to enable this in a way that's responsible and that doesn't violate the primary principles that First Dunes puts out there, that our houses will be durable, will not leak, will be sturdy in storms, in heavy rains, in bright sun exposure, in every condition gets thrown at them. And we've both lived up to our company mantra, but also delivered what the client wanted, and that's a really proud moment for us.